So now we have learned the pronoun tonic. So let us see the use of the pronoun tonic in sentences. For example, je vais chez, and there's a blank space here. I go with, what would you say here? I go with him or with her. So what would we say for him? Do you remember? Moi, toi, and lui. So, Louis. Je vais chez Louis. It means I go with him. Okay, so let us see the next sentence. This word here, it means who. Qui means who. We will be learning question words in the future. At that time, you would have to remember qui means who. And do you know what is this est? Yes, it is the être verb. So, qui est là? Who is there? It is a question. Who is there? So, what would you say when they ask who is there? It is me. C'est moi. Qui est là? C'est moi. It is me. So you can answer this. You can answer this in different ways. For example, who is there? Instead of saying it is me, it is him. How would you say it is him? C'est lui. If you want to say it is her, you would say c'est elle. So we use pronoun tonic for this purpose. So can we say the pronoun tonic once again? It is moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux, and elle. So now we know the pronoun sujet, that is the subject pronoun. We know the verbs, some of the verbs, the ER verbs, and the two important verbs, that is the être and the avoir verbs. And now we have learned the pronoun tonic. So I hope you would be able to make simple sentences and also understand the simple sentences that have been written.